Welcome if you are new, or welcome back to my channel. It's so wonderful to see you all here again today.
Let it snow, let it snow.
In today's video, I wanted to share with you some of the Christmas decor items that I came up with this year. Some are easy and some are a little bit more time consuming, I'm not gonna lie. Either way, we are gonna have some fun getting into the holiday spirit, so let's get started. So to get started with this first DIY, you really only need two materials, which is some string lights and some wire. I actually grabbed a piece of paper. It's legit, you can see both sides. I drew this template of a star just so I had a reference, and I took this wire and I just went ahead and made the shape. Once I made the shape, I took the string lights and I wrapped it around the wire a few times. This did get very time consuming. I actually tried to ball it up and thought that that would help, but really it just kind of made a mess everywhere. So I did do that off camera. And this is what it looks like when you're done. All you need is a pillowcase, some paint, and a sponge. So at first I started with this pen to mark my outline and then these scissors, but I just found it easier to cut it. But I just don't want to do it to where it broke in half like that. Anyway, working with a clear workstation, I went ahead and took the other sponge and tried to do the same method, just being a little bit more careful this time. In my opinion, it didn't really work out. It wasn't really the best method to use for a sponge. After so many uses, the sponge would also transfer to the other side, and it was kind of getting all over my fingers, and it definitely made a mess. It kind of ruined my carpet. Sorry, Mom. But if I was to do this over again, I would just try to take my time and either paint or find a sponge or stamp that is that shape. But here we are. We made it. And after all the trees are painted, you're done. So for the wreath, I started with this wooden circle theme. I also grabbed some of these leafy things from Joanne. I tried to wrap the leaves, but it wasn't really working, so I took some leftover wire to attach the leaves to the wreath. Of course, you can add other things like some lights or garland or some berries, but I kind of liked how simple this turned out. I attached the flower and you're done. I took this piece of wood I got from the dollar section of Target, some puffy paint, and the boa is optional. You can use regular paint if you would like, but this was what I had available. It's as simple as just taking the paint and writing a cute Christmassy message. I also drew some snowflakes on there just for added effect. This is what it were to look like if you used the boa. And you're done. Last but not least, to make this hanging type of decor, I took this stick, I guess, honestly way overpriced. Took some garland, you can add lights. I'll get to this a little bit later, but you'll need some string. You can also add a feather boa. To start off the DIY, I just took this stick, I guess, and I took this garland wrapped it around the branch as well as the boa. Now, as you can see, I started in the middle and worked my way out. I would suggest to start on either side first and then work your way in. At this point, you will want to add some lights if you would like and any other details, and then you're basically done. I continued by adding these little snowflakes out of string. I wrapped it around my hand and put the string in the middle and then tied it. Then I cut the ends to create the fringe. And here's the second shot in case you missed it. As you can see here, I'm just creating a loop so we can hang it. And there you go. This is actually a very easy ornament DIY as well. And I don't know if y'all can tell, you can tell. I added these little pieces of garland by hooking them onto the top piece of garland. And I didn't use any glue or string, but they just kind of hang there. I added the wreath for a completed look. Guys, DIY Christmas decor. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Give this video a like if you enjoyed. It helps me in the future to know what kind of videos you guys are interested in. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. Happy holidays, everyone. Stay positive. Peace.